there, food lovers! It's a great day in our kitchen, and we're excited to share with you a classic comfort food recipe that's been loved by many for generations: the crispy homemade fried chicken. This savory dish is a household favorite, and today you'll discover how to recreate that crispy, juicy magic right in your own kitchen. So what's in our basket today? We have 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and drumsticks fresh from the market. We'll need some salt and black pepper, a cup of all-purpose flour, and a trio of spices: garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. For a kick of heat, we're adding in half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but feel free to adjust according to your taste. We'll also need 2 eggs and a couple of tablespoons of milk or buttermilk. And don't forget the vegetable oil for frying. First, we rinse our chicken pieces under cold water, patting them dry with paper towels. Season them generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, we combine our flour and spices in a shallow dish. Mix this well to get all those flavors evenly distributed. In another dish, whisk together the eggs and milk until well combined. Now for the fun part, coating the chicken. Dredge each piece of chicken in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess, then dip it into the egg mixture. Now back into the flour for a final coat. Press gently to make sure every inch of chicken is covered. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat your vegetable oil over medium-high heat until it reaches about 350 degree F, 175 degree C. Carefully place your chicken pieces in the hot oil, skin side down, and let them fry for about 6-8 minutes on each side. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan. You might need to fry in batches. Once the chicken is golden brown and cooked through, transfer it to a wire rack set over a baking sheet to drain. Give your chicken a few minutes to rest before serving. This gives the juices a chance to redistribute, making your chicken even more succulent. Serve your fried chicken hot, accompanied by your favorite sides. There you have it, a finger-licking good homemade fried chicken recipe. Remember, you can always play with the seasonings to suit your taste, and always handle hot oil with care. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. We'd love to hear about your fried chicken experiences, so feel free to drop us a comment. Until next time, happy frying and keep enjoying great food.